Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I just quickly do a video of my progression with a company called Earn.world. So far in the last 10 months, I've generated $167,000, just over it. I've actually banked this. I've actually put it in my Bitcoin wallet, my crypto wallet. So I'm all happy days are here, you know. So I love this business. In 10 months, I've built this into a nice, good generating passive income earner. And when I first started, I didn't really promote this for the first probably about 3 or 4 months, and then I started seeing the value of it. So I've just been building it slowly and building my team, and I like it. It's going to be a good return investment every day. It pays every day, so I'm very happy with it. But if you want to start this into this business, it's very easy. Okay. Sign up below on my link. Okay, I've actually done some tutorial videos of how to use this system. Okay, but I'm going to quickly show you how to fund this. Okay, what you need to do, you need to go to the deposit part here. It says deposit. Okay, click on the deposit, and you need to send USDT. Okay, and it's got to be on the recommended network. A TRC20 or BEP, okay, all right. They're the networks you need to send your cryptocurrency to Earn.world, okay. Please do not send it to another network. You will lose your funds. So make sure you choose the right network here. This is based on TRC20. I personally send TRC20 Tron network. I find it very cheap and cheaper charges, their transaction charges. Okay, all right. Once your funds arrive, you'll see your dashboard. It will arrive here. Okay, just gives you an idea. But what you need to do, you need to buy an infrastructure. You probably thought, well, what is an infrastructure? Well, an infrastructure is a node. Okay, and it'll give you a certain percentage per day. Okay. What you need to do, you need to click this button here. Well, on the menu here it says infrastructure. Okay. And then it says buy infra. Okay, it gives you loads of little packages here to buy. Okay, all right. But when you come to the business, just test the water out. You know, if you're confident, yes, go for the large amounts here. Okay, and my advice, really, just dip your toe in it, get used to the system, then invest more. Okay, so for example, say you want to dip your toe and say $100. Okay, so $100. You click on that little button here, little arrow here pointing down, and it gives you the actual amount you want to invest. Okay, all right. This will give you 350%. So if you invest, say, $1,000, all right, it will pay out $3,500 until the infrastructure runs out. Okay, all right. And this 2% here, you probably thought, well, what is that 2% there? That's only if you invest into the crypto exterior wallets. Okay, I've actually done this on another video, but if you want to make an extra income with Earn.world, you can actually have an exterior wallet. But I've actually done this on other videos. But at the moment, you're just going to buy infrastructures. Okay, so basically, $100. Okay, start with $100, and it give you times it by 3.5. That give you about, say, $350. That's until it runs out. Okay, all right. So you're building your income that way. But my advice: start small. You can actually, once you get used to it, you can actually go up to high amounts here, 2,500, 5,000. I'll give you an example. If you, let's say, $10,000, you're going to invest in $10,000. Okay, right. This one here, which is called a professional, right? Say $10,000 for this video's sake, right? You invested $10,000. This will pay you 500%, so that's 50 grand until the infrastructure runs out. Okay, so basically, it's pay you $50,000. Okay, because you invested $10,000. This 8% here, okay, right? That's only based on your trading exterior Earn wallet. So that's if you trade if you stake in the exterior wallet, but you have to be a paid member. Basically, you have to buy an infrastructure to use the Earn.world wallets. Okay, I've done a video on this, and the link will be below. Okay, so once you sign up, please watch the video explaining how to do that. Okay, so this gives you an idea. All right, and it does pay every day. But once you sign up, guys, you will actually come to this page here. Please scroll down. Watch the video. It's all the ins and outs of the business. Okay, you sign up, right? So if you want to connect your wallets, this is the button you need to click, and this will bring you to this. So this will bring you to. This will bring you to this site here. I've done a little video of how to connect your exterior wallet to make extra return on investment. It's up to you. It's entirely up to you. Okay, but if you want to get 3 income streams in Earn.world, this is the best way of doing it. I've done videos how to do it, how to connect your wallet to the Earn.world main platform, which I showed you. I've done steps, so download it. Okay, download it on you can either use iPhone or Android. It's up to you. Okay, the steps how to do it. Okay, this is in the main platform, so please watch the videos in this platform. Well, in this site I've done. Okay, this gives you roughly an idea what you can earn in your exterior wallet by using other coins. But I said earlier on, you need to be a paid participant to earn trading and staking within the platform. Okay. But going back to the main account here, if you do want to refer, it's up to you. It's optional. I referred in the last few months now. I've been in for 10 months, as I said earlier on. I only started referring the last 7 months ago. The first 3 months I didn't. But believe you me, I think it's worth it, really, because you get more return on investment. Okay. I've done a video on that anyway. But also, please note, that's a referral link. Free members can't refer. You have to be a paid participant to refer people. Okay, just please get that clear. Okay, if you do get free people coming in and they expect to refer, they can't do that. You need to buy an infrastructure, which is one of these packages. But as I said earlier on, just dip your toe in it, see if you like it. Start with $100. Okay, all right, it's very, very easy. Once your account's funded, they just take you to it, and then you'll see your return on investment every day will come in. Okay, all right, just dip your toe in it, get used to the system. We do have webinars every week. Okay, and please add yourself to our Telegram group. If you go down to this site here, scroll down to the site here, right, click the button here, that will automatically go to the Telegram group, training, webinars, updates, fees, etc. Okay, that gives you an idea. If you're in the States, okay, I get a lot of Canadians and Americans saying, I can't log in. Don't worry about it. Your country does not doesn't want to make you rich, unfortunately, due to your restrictions and your laws and stuff. But hey, get around it. But my advice is download a VPN plugin. Brilliant. Even some crypto exchanges will have issues. This is amazing, Surfshark. There are other VPN servers that are plugins out there, but I find this is the best one, mate. Best one for me personally. And if you want to buy cryptocurrency, some people use Binance. I use this company here. Change now. I like them. Very, very cheap on fees. Clicking that button there. Okay, but let's go to the site. Go to the site, but please mark the site. Okay, I think it's about next market. And please, if you want to use the exterior whites, okay. Brilliant. You don't have to. It's up to you. Just buy an infrastructure, okay, and just receive your return on investment that way. It's an option to make more income with this company. Okay, it's an option. Okay. Meanwhile, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching the video. Any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. Okay, Matt Feast, or sign up and send me a message either on Facebook or YouTube, or connect with me on Telegram. The link, as I said, is below this page here. Okay, right down here. What's the tapping boys? Okay, and don't be nervous that you're asking silly questions. There's no silly questions. If you're listening to the company, right? There's no silly questions. I'll answer your question. Okay, guys, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching the video. Peace out.